So hi, welcome. Today we have a job which is called Information Security L2 position. So in this video, I'm going to tell you each and everything about how to get this job and few more information which might be helpful for you. So hi, this is a random person from VIH. I work in VIH as a labor, and this is a job search series which is called VIH job series where we usually post daily job post for cybersecurity. By the way, I work in the security team at VIH. Anyways, so these are a couple of requirements that is required for this job. So you should have good practical as well theoretical knowledge about the domains like web, mobile, API, SEST, and VAPT. And you should have good communication skills and able to communicate with the manage the client and you individuals. So you should have good communications as well. You should not have a stage fear actually. Candidates must have good exposure of advanced attack scenarios, zero day vulnerabilities, and new age technology as well. Certifications like OSCP, CRTP, ED, EWPTX, CompTIA Security Plus, CH can be a plus point for you. And candidate must have good reporting skills and a complete understanding of OWASP Top 10, CIS benchmark scans, and sense. There are a couple of requirement which is I got to know about some this requirement from a LinkedIn post. Company is ESEC 40, which is a old company I guess. And if you want to join this job, you have to drop a resume on this mail ID, which is of Aparna Malik, and I guess 2 to 3 years of experience will be required because of the certification of 5 years. I guess OSCP and all those things are there. So, anyways, yeah, if you want to see a growth in web application pen testing field, then check out this link. And if you want to see any job role, if you have any query, something, then just drop in the comment box. So, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.